Thank you for choosing Apera. Connection of pH electrode. First, pick up the meter. On the top of the meter, you'll find 3 ports for conductivity, temperature, and pH or ORP. Now, let's connect the pH electrode. Align the BNC connector on the electrode with the port on the meter. Push it in vertically, then turn the connector clockwise until you hear a click. Next, insert the RCA connector of the electrode straight into the temperature port. The pH electrode is now connected. Loosen the electrode protective cap and gently pull out the electrode. Be careful not to pull it out forcefully, as this can damage the electrode. pH calibration. Rinse the electrode with deionized water. Shake off the excess water or gently dab it with Kim wipe. Prepare your pH calibration solutions, 4.00, 7.00, and 10.01. Always begin calibration with the pH 7.00 buffer solution. Long press the cal button to enter calibration mode. Immerse the electrode in the 7.00 pH solution. Stir gently, then let it sit until the reading stabilizes. Cal 1 appears at the top right of the screen and 7.00 pH blinking at the bottom right. This indicates the first point calibration. Wait until the smile icon appears, then short press Enter to complete the calibration. The meter returns to measurement mode. The M icon at the bottom left confirms the first point calibration is complete. Rinse the electrode again. If a second point calibration is required, long press Cal to enter calibration mode again. Immerse the electrode in 4.00 pH solution. Stir gently, then let it sit until the reading stabilizes. Cal 2 appears at the top right of the screen, indicating the second point calibration. Short press Enter to confirm. The meter will display the electrode slope and return to measurement mode. The L icon at the bottom left confirms the second point calibration is complete. Rinse the electrode again. Long press Cal to enter calibration mode again. Immerse the electrode in 10.01 pH solution. Stir gently and wait until the reading stabilizes. Cal 3 appears at the top right of the screen and 10.01 pH blinks at the bottom right. This is the third point calibration. Short press Enter to confirm. The meter will display the electrode slope and return to measurement mode. The H icon at the bottom left confirms the third point calibration is complete. The 3-point pH calibration is now finished. After completing the pH calibration, you can switch to parameter P1.6 to view the pH electrode offset from the last calibration. Switch to P1.7 to view the electrode slope. The meter supports 2 buffer sets, USA and NIST, each with 5 solutions. The meter supports 1 to 3-point calibration, starting with 7.00 pH or 6.86 pH, as shown below. Calibration frequency depends on the sample and required accuracy. Calibrate before high-accuracy measurements, or about once a week for general use. Recalibrate after installing a new probe, measuring strong acids or alkaline solutions, high organic or fluoride samples, or when temperature differences are significant. pH measurement. Rinse the electrode thoroughly before and after each measurement. Immerse the electrode in the sample solution. Stir gently and wait until the reading stabilizes. Read the pH value or short press M+ to store the measurement. The pH measurement is now complete. Data storage and recall. By default, the meter is set to manual storage mode. After each measurement, short press M+ to store the data. The M+ icon and the storage number will appear on the screen, indicating the measurement has been successfully stored. To enable automatic storage, Go to parameter P3.3 and set the storage interval. In this video, 1 minute is used as an example. After setting the interval, press Measure button to return to measurement mode. The clock icon will appear at the top of the screen. When the reading stabilizes, short press M+. The clock icon will begin flashing and the first measurement will be stored. During automatic logging mode, manual storage is disabled. After the preset time interval, the next measurement will be stored automatically. The number next to M+ indicates how many sets of data have been stored. To pause automatic logging, short press M+ again. The clock icon will stop flashing. In measurement mode, short press RM to recall the most recently stored measurement. The RM icon and the stored data will appear on the display. Continue pressing up or down to browse through the stored data one by one. Short press Measure button to return to measurement mode. To exit automatic logging mode, set the interval to 0 in parameter P3.3. Select Yes in parameter setting P3.6 to delete all the stored data. Once deleted, the data cannot be retrieved. Parameter settings. In the measurement mode, short press Setup button to enter main menu, then press up or down to navigate through the menu. In this video, we use P1.4 Calibration Do as an example. Short press Enter to enter P1.0. Press up or down to select P1.4, then short press Enter to confirm. NO starts blinking on the screen. Short press the up key to select NO, hour, or day. Short press Enter to confirm. 00 starts blinking. Short press the up key to set the duration. After selecting the desired time, short press Enter to confirm. We use 7 days as an example. If D07 is set, the meter will display ER5 7 days after the last calibration, reminding you to recalibrate the electrode. Short press Measure button to return to measurement mode. To clear the error code, either perform a calibration or go to parameter, setting P2.6 and select NO to cancel the calibration reminder.